Studies have found that women with PCOS have different gut microbiome than women without PCOS. Specifically, we have higher proportion of Firmicutes and lower proportion of Bacteroidetes. Increased proportion of Firmicutes and lower proportion of Bacteroidetes lead to higher extraction of energy from food, which lead to higher proportion of body fat and can lead to obesity. But is there anything we can do about our microbiome? Welcome to Holistic Ovaries. I am Agnese, and every week I am creating a new video so you can learn about polycystic ovary syndrome and you can manage your condition and treat your symptoms from every angle possible. If you want to support my mission of free education for women with PCOS, please subscribe to my channel. The gut microbiome refers to the microorganisms that live in our digestive tract, like our stomach and our intestines. Research suggests that changes in gut microbiome can lead to changes that our body metabolize and processes hormones and glucose that can lead to hormonal imbalances and increased risk of insulin resistance. So how can we improve our health of gut microbiome? The first answer is nutrition. The more diverse microbiome in your gut, the better. But how to achieve diverse microbiome? The answer is to eat as many diverse plant-based, minimally processed food. I myself aim to eat 30 different plants in a week. I know it sounds like a lot, but I eat 7 different fruits, 7 different veggies, different legumes, grains, cereals. I add nuts, seeds, and fresh herbs. You do the math and it's around 30. It doesn't mean that you have to turn vegetarian now. I eat meat and I eat fish for my source of proteins. But I focus a lot on adding veggies. Other thing is to avoid processed food. Processed food is the one with the long list of ingredients that can last on the shelf for even years. Because you can imagine if the food have chemical ingredients that make this food last for years, what that kind of chemicals can do to our microbiome. Probiotics. Probiotics is a beneficial bacteria that can balance microbiome. I focus to get my probiotics from food such as natural yogurt without added sugar, kefir, kombucha, kimchi, sauerkraut, pickles, and polish. I love pickles. We should aim from 4 to 7 servings of fermented food a day. And I know that sounds like a lot for many of you. Also for me. But we have the other source of probiotics, which are probiotics supplements. I take probiotic supplements every 6 months for 30 days, and then I do a break. Because also too many probiotics can bring changes to our microbiome. I also only take probiotics that require refrigeration, because only that way you can get the active bacteria inside of you. Prebiotics. So probiotics are the bacteria, and prebiotics, it's literally the food that for that bacteria. Prebiotics are non-digestible food ingredients like fiber. 25 to 30 grams a day of total dietary fiber is recommended from food intake. So a lot of beans, veggies, grains, and my favorite is oats. I have oats every day for breakfast. Avoiding antibiotics. Antibiotics can kill the good and the bad bacteria, and overuse and long-term use of antibiotics can disturb the balance of gut microbiome. So I try to use antibiotics only when they are necessary. It's actually been 5 years since I don't use any antibiotics, but I did not have any health condition, any health problem, despite my hormonal imbalances. And if I would have to take antibiotics, I would definitely take the probiotics to replenish my good bacteria. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for almost every bodily regulation, including hormones, metabolism, digestion, and the gut microbiome is not an exception. Not getting enough sleep or not getting good quality sleep can disturb the gut microbiome. I myself have a big difficulty with sleeping. I'm a light sleeper. I don't get good quality of sleep. And I have my own protocol to improve that. So if you want to know about this, let me know in the comments. Reduce stress. I know I'm boring with that, but stress can affect balance of microbiome in so many different ways. So please remember to take time for yourself to relax, to go for a walk, take a hot bath, sleep well, to chat with your friend, to go to therapy, to do yoga, meditate, breathe. The point here is to find a strategy that will reduce stress that works for you. Avoiding chlorine and fluoride. It will all depend on where are you from and from where are you taking your drinking water. Chlorine and fluoride are the chemicals found in the tap water, and avoiding their intake can help to preserve the beneficial bacteria in gut microbiome. And the last but not least, exercise. Regular exercise can also help to maintain the healthy gut microbiome by increasing the blood flow into the gut and reducing inflammation. I do move my body every day, every morning for 30 minutes, doing many different things like yoga, pilates, dancing, weightlifting, bodylifting, and also some cardio. It really depends on my mood in the morning. So here we have some of the points to keep gut bacteria happy. My strategy to manage PCOS is to strengthen every system in the body, including gut microbiome. Please comment, ask questions, subscribe, share the videos with other women with PCOS so they can get that information. And I will see you in next video. Bye bye.